First log into encryptpoint.com to download the Encrypt Chrome extension. Restore existing wallet. Use recovery phrase. Import your Filecoin address. Open Chainlist to search the Filecoin network. Copy the RPC server address. Open Encrypt, click Manage Networks in the lower left corner. Click on Custom Network. Paste the copied RPC server address. Click Add Network to complete the addition of the Filecoin address. Scroll down to find the Filecoin, and click the Display button on the right. Return to the wallet, click Filecoin, Mainnet to complete the Filecoin, Mainnet network switch. Open the Bifrost.app, switch the network in the upper right corner to Polkadot. Click Cross In and select Bind Filecoin. Follow the steps to complete the binding of Filecoin address and Bifrost address. Click OK to complete address binding. Enter the amount of FIL crossed in, click Cross In to sign and confirm. The cross-in process involves the confirmation of multiple networks. Please wait patiently for 5 to 10 minutes. After crossing in, balance will display the number of FILs crossed in. Enter the amount of FIL that needs liquid staking. Click Mint and Sign to confirm, and then check the details of FIL and VFIL at the top. Select Swap Liquidity on the left menu bar. Select the token added by liquidity as FIL and VFIL. Enter the number of tokens that need to add liquidity. Click Add Liquidity and Sign to confirm. Select Farm from the left menu bar. Find the VFIL/FIL farming pool, click Deposit to enter the number of LPs. Complete the front of the chain and confirm to start farming VFL/FIL pool.